So the ALIEXPRESS Flip 6 has received an update, and I do have to say with this update it's not really like make the sound much difference. Like the volume is still the same, the highs are still the same, the mids. Also the bass does seem to work a little bit more. But yeah, it's just a small update, especially made for improving the update speed. So let's do some sound testing. So as again, this update doesn't really change the sound. So yeah, the bass does sound a little bit more full, not necessarily deeper, just a little bit fuller. And I do have to say that there is a little bit more volume. I do have to say there's a small distortion, but overall it's okay. And again, this update has been meant to improve the update process. So it really was clearly saying like the OTA over-the-air updates will be improving with this update. And I do have to say that like the app has changed, and also the update process already was a lot better with this speaker than with the other one. So with the Charge 5 it took like, I believe, 20 minutes. This one was ready in 5 minutes. So JBL is definitely improving that way of updating. See you guys in the next one.